Hello friends, let us now learn about this picture in Robin's pathology. So it is a CT scan which is shown in a patient in prone position. Okay, see, this here which you can see here is actually the ureteral calculys which you can see here. This is the picture because it is in prone position, not in supine position. These are the vertebrae. How can you say that it is prone position? It is by seeing this. This is the vertebrae. These are the great vessels, that is inferior. This is aorta. This is inferior vena cava. And then you can see here we will have kidney. Sorry, this is this is the This is the urinary bladder, that is at the vesico-ureteral junction. You can see this ureteral calculys. Okay, so this is the picture of ureteral calculys. This is the bladder. This is the hip bone which you can see. Right. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.